We're riding scooters today.
What's that one thing that's been popping up all over cities and college campuses alike? It's those electric scooters. And have you ever wondered to yourself how long those truly last? Well, today, we're gonna get that question answered.
Ain't nothing but against the party. Oh shit.
Let's go ride some scooters. And so our hero's quest began with him trying to find a scooter. We found one.
I don't even know my driver's license is a scooter. So we're starting off on it with 100%.
After an excruciatingly long, painful time, the hero learned how to ride the scooter. And he was gone like the wind.
This thing goes actually pretty fast, and I am a bit concerned for my safety. Oh shit, jeez, okay. It's time to go to the Capitol. The only negative is this thing does not have shock absorber, so my face is bouncing up and down all the time. You gotta feel up.
Our hero had no idea why people were giving him weird looks. He must have been jealous of that stylish fanny pack.
I just made a giant skid mark. We gotta bounce. They're gonna come after me. Now that I already look like a crack addict with my outfit on, now I have blue teeth. That's fun, man.
There were many ups, but also a lot of downs.
I'm lost. I'm calling on maps to help me out here. Time for a little check-in. 5 minutes, 6.6 miles, and 56%.
But our hero kept riding. And riding. And riding. And he saw some of the most extraordinary buildings in the city.
Yo, it's a castle. Another castle.
No way, the refrigeration school? That must be so cool to go there.
I can see downtown. It's not looking good. 14%. And it's all the way over there. Are we gonna make it? I don't know. There's only one way to find out. Keep going. So close, yet so far away. We got 1%. Just gonna ride out until it dies.
When all hope seemed to be lost, a miracle happened.
In other note, I don't think we're at 1% because I've been going on for about like 10 more minutes, so let's check real quick. Oh, okay. Well, we're at 3% now. We gotta push it. My top speed is only 10 now. Help me. Scooter montage. Ollie. Oh. I'm moving along slowly but surely. We are almost there. If we make this is gonna be wild. I'm moving at a snail's pace though, so we might not.
He mustered all of his strength and pushed forward, but would that be enough to make it?
We have made it. This thing's going as fast as a tortoise, but that's cool. We still made it. We still accomplished the goal. And now I'm gonna go home on the light rail, which will be much faster. I just got back. It's been about 4 hours. I'm actually really amazed that we were able to make it. It was honestly really, really cool and surreal, and I really enjoyed that experience because I got to see parts of the city that I don't normally see or that I just pass by every now and then and say, hey, that's cool. But I really got to enjoy it, and it was really awesome. And I highly recommend anybody go do this in your city. Just rent one of those scooters and ride around, and it's really fun. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It was really fun to make. And if you did, consider subscribing because that'd be cool. And I'll see you next time. Peace out. So we recently did our 100 subscriber giveaway. We picked all the names in the bowls. I'll show a little clip of that now. And then we picked a name, we contacted her, and she's getting her gift card on the way. So thank you for everybody that subscribed so far, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.